the new Jingle Bells. Jingle bells, jingle bells. I just shot a gun. Hit my dad, now he's mad. Now I gotta run. Hey! We have more. Here's more Jingle Bells, but different versions. Dashing through the snow with broken pairs of skis. All the field we go, running over knees. Ha ha! The snow is turning red. I think I'm almost dead. Woke up in the hospital. There's stitches on my head. Now for Jingle Bells 3. Jingle bells, Granny smells. Granny got a gun. Shot a deer and had a tear in 1981. Hey! The next one is the one from the last video. It's 911, 911, I need to call the cops. Take me to the hospital and give me lollipops. Hey! Next one is a sussy one. Tootsie boy, I think I'm almost dead. Oh my god, this man is dead. Oh my god, this man is dead. I think he has a head. No, I don't. I'm Jeffy. Hold on. That was the end of the video, but we'll do one more Jingle Bells just for y'all. Jingle Bells, Batman smells, Batman flew to Paris. Oh my god, Batman's dead, now he got a head. Hey! Wait, but Batman always had a head. But what about under the mask? That is so smart. But the eyes. What if the eyes are part of the mask? But then how do they blink? God. The cranes grab stuff or take stuff. Baby Yoda sound.